Hello guys! Good morning! So for today's video ay samahan nyo kami dito sa Mandurah, Western Australia. So ang Mandurah pala ay napapalibutan ng tubig. So kung gusto nyong mag-cruise ay merong mga boats for hire na makikita nyo sa video. At habang naglalakad kami ay may nakita akong mga dolphins guys. So yan, sinum ko kagad para maipakita ko sa inyo. So, ang Mandurah has a large resident population of Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphins due to the abundance of fish, calm, shallow, protected waters, and the absence of predators in the Phil Harvey estuary. These conditions make it an ideal habitat for raising young dolphins and provide a consistent food source. So, ano nga ba ang estuary? An estuary is a partially enclosed coastal body of brackish water with one or more rivers or streams flowing into it, and with free connection to the open sea. So bakit nga ba maraming dolphins ditong naninirahan sa Mandurah? Unang-una ay, the estuary is rich in fish species like herring and mullet, which are favorite source of dolphin. So pangalawa, ideal habitat. The shallow, warm, and sheltered waters of the estuary provide a safe environment for dolphins, particularly for raising their youngs. Ang susunod naman ay, the absence of significant predators in the estuary allows the dolphin population to thrive. In Mandurah is a home to a unique resident population of dolphins that are born and raised within the estuary. And lastly, Mandurah has a healthy ecosystem. The large dolphin population is a sign of a healthy and productive ecosystem in the Phil Harvey estuary. So yun lang guys, sana ay nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video namin. Hanggang sa muli, bye!